All right, if you saw this on the SAT, would you be able to solve it? Line A has points at 0a and a0 and 3, 2. What is a? So it's all about the slope. The slope has to be the same because it's a line. So you can do 2 minus a over 3 minus 0 equals 2 minus 0 over 3 minus a. And we're going to get 2 minus a over 3 equals 2 over 3 minus a. That's going to give us 6 equals, when we cross multiply, we're going to get 6 minus 5a plus a squared. Now we're going to subtract the 6 and we're going to have 0 equals negative 5a plus a squared. Factor out the a, we have 0 equals a minus 5. We have two solutions. Only one of them really makes sense. And that's going to be a equals 0 and a equals 5. Our answer will be 5. If it was 0, that would just make those 2 points the same point. But that's not what we want here. So I hope this one made sense to you. It seems simple, but you'd be amazed how many people miss it. I'd say it's about 60% of students got this right. I hope you're in that 60%, especially now that you've seen the video.